Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix when our Microsoft Print to PDF is not working in our Windows device, laptop, and PC. Okay, so let's get started. So let's make a search first for Windows features here in our Windows search tab and type Windows features. So under best match, please click on turn Windows features on or off. Now here all we need to do is just look for Microsoft Print to PDF option, and once found, so make sure that you check, or if you see that this is already checked or selected, please make sure that you unselect it, and then once doing that, please click on OK and then make a quick restart or reboot with your device. And after the restart, please go again with this window and then now check it, and after doing that, please click on OK again and then make again a quick restart with your device and then see if it's working already. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to go to the run window. We can do that by simply making a right click here in our Windows icon and then click on the run options, or also by simply pressing Windows R key altogether. And after doing that, you will see this run window, and in here we need to type for services.msc. After typing, please click on OK or enter, and here all we need to do is just look for the print spooler options, and we can do that by selecting one service here and then just simply press P in your keyboard, and you will see, or you will be brought to the P section and look for print spooler. Here it is, and once found, please make a right click on it and then go to properties. Okay, so in here all we need to do is just look for the startup type options, and once you're there, please make sure that you selected automatic, and if you haven't selected automatic or automatic delayed start options, just click this drop down button here for you to select for the options. Okay, and then click on automatic. Once selected, please click on apply and then click on OK. And once you're done, when you see that this is not running, please just make a right click on it and then click on the start button. So since this is already running, you can see that the start button is already grayed out. Okay, so once we're done with this process, let's move on with the next one. Again, in our Windows search tab, please type for control panel, and under best match, please click on it, and then let's go to devices and printers options, and printers and scanners, and all we need to do here is to look for the Microsoft Print to PDF options and make sure that this is selected as default. So if you haven't seen this one in your printers and scanners section, then you can all you can do is just click on this add a printer or scanner options by clicking this add a device button and wait for this loading session to be done, and then this option that says the printer that I want is enlisted will be coming out. Just select add a new device manually and click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click on next and use for the port that you want, and then click on next. And here in the Microsoft under manufacturer options, please look for Microsoft Print to PDF. And if you haven't found one, all you need to do is just click on this Windows Update here and just wait for the updating session or for the update to be done. Okay, and once done, you will see the Microsoft PDF option here, and just select it and then click on this next button here. Okay, so I hope you follow the process, and I hope this process have worked for you. If it did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.